Hi, my name is Saad Chalabi. I'm CEO of XCube, a newly formed fintech aiming to strengthen the competitiveness of capital markets in Dubai.
Hi, my name is Albara. I'm 17 years old. I'm in grade 12 and I'm from Uptown International School.
Hey, how's it going?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good, very good. Tell me, what comes to mind when I say trading?
Well, I have traded online with my friends. Is that what you mean? My dad also like bought shares like on his phone, and he's like really excited about that.
Yeah, well, that's a start. It's a very good start, actually. But did you know that your dad's not actually buying those shares on the phone like he's ordering a pizza? He's actually contacting a broker, and the broker is then placing those trades on an exchange like the Dubai Financial Market or the DFM. Have you been to the DFM?
No, not yet. But is that where they like scream at each other?
No, that's only in the movies now. But now it's mostly electronic, and so computers and on the phone, of course.
Okay, I'll tell him. He likes to scream at his phone like those trading movies.
Yeah, well, you know what? You could actually tell them a bit more, because on those exchanges, they also have other products. So like gold, commodities, like oil, and also derivatives.
Derivatives? Like in math?
Sort of. Derivatives are financial products that give you, as like a vehicle that gives you access to a certain underlying, either some shares or commodities like gold or oil.
Okay, but to benefit from that, don't I have to like invest a lot of money?
Well, see, that's the great thing about derivatives. So on DFM and Nasdaq Dubai, there are futures on stocks, for instance, like Ammar. And those futures give you the ability to actually invest like a tenth of what you need to invest. So let's say you want to get 100 shares, you only need to pay the amount of 10 shares, roughly.
But how do I benefit from that?
Well, very good question. For example, if you were driving in your car out here, anywhere in Dubai, and you were seeing all these buildings with these huge billboards, Ammar everywhere.
Yeah, they do actually. They do
That's true. So what would you do?
Well, I'd obviously invest in Ammar, but I'd probably like buy the future contract they have, because I only have 2,000 dirhams to invest. And because they have a lot of towers, it will probably make me money.
You're absolutely right. If it does end up making you money and the stock actually goes up 10% in this very specific case, you can actually double your money.
That's amazing. Wow.
Yeah, it is. It could be. But also we want to, keep in mind that whatever can go up can also go down, and therefore, you could also actually lose money or actually lose your entire investment. So you have to be careful.
I will be, and I'll make sure to tell my dad. He doesn't like to be wrong, but I'll still tell him. So okay. Thank you.
Excellent.